After upgrading my headlights to LED, it looks beautiful. Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Chevrolet Trailblazer. And I'm going to change the headlight to LED light. I will walk you through how it's easy. You can do it yourself. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So we're going to pop open these 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have pry tool, use that, or you have like screwdriver like this. I'm going to pop this open. And if we look at, if I tilt, one is right there. That one is a little harder to remove it. You can do it. And the same thing on this side, there is one. I'm going to put back again. You need to remove 2 taps from here. Those are really important ones. One here, and 2 on the other side. This is how you do it. You pry this one out like this or like this. Put your hand here. When you put your hand here, then you grab it and pull it. But prior to doing that, I show you this one. I'm going to pop this open. This one has to be open. If you don't open that, then you will crack this one and it will break. So once you open these 2, one here, those goes inside these holes right here into the headlight assembly. So you seen it, those were the important ones. You seen 4 on the top and the 2 at the bottom. One right in the middle, which is very easy. When we are pulling it out, this one comes out easily. And same thing, the 1, 2 on the side goes on the other side as well. Once you remove it, this is how you take out the grill. And now I will show you how it's easy to take out the headlight assembly. If you look at right now, this is the low beam light. And this is the original OEM bulb, and it's so yellowish. And if you notice, I have changed to LED, and it's looking super bright. Once we put it in, we put the covers back, and now all the connectors, wiring is placed in. These are the small dowels, you see, one here, one here. These 2 on this side, 2 on other side. These goes into this hole. When we're going to press it down, it will go down and it will locks in. And when we open it, that's where we pull it. And then these cut goes inside and that's locked the assembly in place. So now we're going to put it in the same way. And on this side, right there. So you need a bigger screwdriver to push that in. You press it down like this. See, it locks in. It's like that. It's hard to put your hand in there. You see the tab here? This is the one I'm talking about. You press it down and it goes down. And when we lift up, that opens it. So that's how you do it. So as you've seen, I show you on a passenger side how it's easy you can upgrade your low beam light to LED light. And now this is the driver side. And when we're going to remove the driver side, it will be the same process. Pull this one out, just like this, and we pull this one on the top. Once we do that, then it comes out the assembly like this. These 2 goes inside the hole. When it goes inside the hole, we press it down and then it goes inside the groove. It locks in. That's how the headlight assembly stays in. Removing the wire connector out, and then we'll take the bulb out and then we'll replace it with LED. Press the button and open the connector. And the same thing at the bottom, you need to lift it up, so use a pry tool and the connector will come out. Now open the cover and anti-clockwise you turn it and you remove the bulb. In order to pull it, you need to take the connector out in the same way you put your LED back. And one thing I'm just going to show you that the orientation, how you put the LED back in, but it's very important that you need to put the wiring inside first before you place your LED. Otherwise it will look like this. So then you won't be able to put the cover back. Now the last and final step. Once we put the headlight assembly back, now this is the grill. And this is very easy. You just put it in, align it, just like this. You don't worry about the lining on the sides. You do it on the front, on the top first. You press it like this. You press it. Once it snaps in, you hear the goes back. And now we can come on this side and we can press it just like this. And now the same thing on this side at the bottom, and one in the middle. You've seen that, like that, like that. And now the lastly, two of these, and the last one. That's it. That's so easy to do it. I hope this video helped you out and motivate you to upgrade your lights to LED on your Chevrolet Trailblazer. Please like, share it. Thank you. Bye-bye.